YouTube, let's get it. Back with another vid, YouTube. It's your boy Big Gal. And today we will be doing an unboxing on the Hobao Hyper SS Truggy, baby. The electric version. This Truggy has been out for ages. It's a Truggy that I've been wanting. This is gonna be a racer. I'm not gonna bash this Truggy real hard. It's gonna be a racer for the Rock Mart Racing and Ellenwood RC track. And we're just gonna have a good time, man. So with no further ado, we're gonna pop this box open, go through what's in the box, and I'm gonna get this thing built up. So y'all hold tight. I'll be back with you in 1 second. So looking at what comes in the box, this is an 80% roller. The car is basically built, but you have to put your own electronics in it and glue your wheels. So that's what we're looking at. So you have your instruction manual right here in the box. Nice and simple. Top off. Here goes your wheels. You have to glue your own wheels on. Your tires. These are your tires right here. The wheels are on the truck. Let's get it out the box. Alrighty. You don't see no diff fluids in the box. Is always a good thing. And bye, there it goes right there. Hyper SST Truggy. Here's your clear body. We're gonna hurry up and get this painted while we got a couple of days of good weather. Here's all your goodies. You have your motor mount in there. You have your wing right here. A couple of tools, couple of screws. That's about it. So just like the buggy, the Truggy has a very small receiver box. So I do have smaller receivers, but those are not the ones I want to use. I want to use my FlySky G11P. So I'm gonna have to just mount it right here to the servo mount and go from there, man. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing painted. Here goes my electronics. My servo should be here before the video over. My servo will be here. But here's the electronics we're going with. We're going with the Castle. This is the 2200 kV. This is the gold version. This is a limited edition of the Castle. 2200 kV. Make sure. I think it's a 2200. It's either 2200 or 2000. I'm thinking it's a 2200 kV. And here goes the Cobra 8 that's going in there, baby. Cobra 8. So all we waiting on is our servo. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting it painted, get everything prepped, get my motor set in here, get my wing on, get my wheels glued and ready to go, and then we're gonna rock out from there. So y'all hold tight. The next time y'all see this Truggy, it will be done. This will be a short video. I may go step by step, I may not, just depending on how it goes when I start rolling. So I'll be back with y'all in 1 second. Alrighty, guys and gals, I told y'all this was gonna be a short video. We got it done, baby. Yes, sir. The Truggy, Hyper SST Truggy, baby. We got it done. I tried to do a little bedazzling on the wheels right there. It didn't come out the way that I wanted it, but it came out good enough. This car is gonna be a racer anyway, so ain't no point of me trying to make it too pretty because it's gonna go out in the dirt and get dirty anyway. The track we race on is all clay, so it's gonna be definitely nasty after the first run, especially after they wet the track. It's definitely gonna be nasty. So let's take a peek at the inside. See what we got on the inside. Voila, there's your Cobra system. the 2200 kV motor with the Cobra 8 ESC. The receiver box on these are very small. So as you can see, I put my receiver up here on top of the servo because that box is just too little. I do have some receivers that's small enough, but I didn't want to run those. I wanted to run this on my FlySky remote. So there she goes, man. She's in there, ready to go. I didn't make this a long unboxing. Was not long because this car has been out for years, man. Its videos date back 6 and 7 years of this car. So it wasn't no need of me doing no thorough unboxing, but hope y'all enjoyed that little bit of B-roll that I gave you. And we're gonna move on to the next, man. This is one project down. One project down, y'all. So can't wait to move on to the next one and see what we have to start off 2026 with. But while I'm getting these clips in, I'm just gonna let y'all know that I appreciate y'all coming to rock out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, dislike, whatever you like. YouTube in a minute.